Put on your A game on when choosing the best food for your lunchbox. Ready to choose the best foods? Yes, I am! For apple, avocado, both are awesome. Hey, but for blueberries or bubble gum, blueberries beat bubble gum. For carrot sticks, could it be candy? Carrot sticks is like consuming nature's candy sticks. For donuts. Oh dear, let's be clear. Rather choose a drumstick and have no fear. For eggs on a sandwich. But what about eggs for my Easter egg? Every egg is not the same. Rather choose the egg on a sandwich. For fruit, but what about fudge? Fruity fruit for a high five. For grapes or a chewy gum. Gum gobbles up your gums. Grapes gear up your grades. Hot dog, what else? Honey would make you a classroom hero. Ice cream. Ice cream, you scream. We all scream for ice cream. Leave the ice cream and invest in iceberg lettuce. For jam. Juicy's a much better choice after all. For ketchup, rather keep kale and kiwi. Lemonade, leave the nade and keep the lemon. My most munchy is mac and cheese, or maybe milkshake with mint. Mango, most munchiest choice for me. Noodles, oh no, Nutella. Not. Nuts is the most nutritious meal. Oreo to open. Olives in an omelette. Pepperoni pizza. What a pleasure. Papaya, peas and pecan nuts are a plus. Quiche or quasitella, the queen would question the ingredients quick. Rice or a roll, rather rice, that could be nice. Syrup or sweet, smooth this. Select a salad with salt and strawberry. Diff or tea and toast. Try tuna and tomato tortilla. For unhealthy, and sweetened, up your game. For vanilla wafers, rather very little vinegar on your veggies. For waffle and whipped cream, wow! What about watermelon and water? For xylitol in your tea. That tea is not for me. Yeah, can only be for yogurt. You would say yum, 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 yum. For zucchini with some zest. Now you know how to pack your lunchbox just like the rest. test. Click the subscribe button for more to know. That way you will encourage others to follow. See you soon!